I'd like to introduce you to a solution to correct the battery message that pops up when replacing iPhone batteries. Part of this solution includes this tool, the Apollo Interstellar 1, a multifunctional restore detection device. Some of the functions that this device can resolve are True Tone for displays, vibrator function, recovery for iPhone 7 through 8 models, baseband read and write when soldering is required for a new one, for iPhone 6 through 11 Pro Max, but we will be focusing on the battery data. More on that later.
Here I have an iPhone XS. I've already taken out the inside, or the bottom here, so that I can take the battery out. The main issue with this phone is the battery health life. See that it's at 80%, but it is the original battery, and we want to replace that because it's not lasting all day.
On every iPhone, removing the Taptic engine and loudspeaker will make it easier for the removal of the battery. The pull tabs, although finicky, are extremely helpful, and one of the things Apple actually did right. After carefully removing the battery, we'll slowly peel back the tape, revealing the battery logic board. We do have replacement tape, so tearing it is not a big deal. Carefully fold it over. Do not hold on to the flex cable in this part, you might tear it. Carefully peel back this adhesive that's protecting the anode and the cathode. If you're careful, this piece of tape can be saved and reused later. Although I don't use it in this video, a few drops of 99% isopropyl alcohol can help with removal of this piece of tape. Here I have an Amcentrix battery. They send it with this little notification informing you that a notification will pop up, but the battery health life won't be there. And here I have the Amcentrix Core battery. You can see it comes with that replacement tape, protective tape and clip. Also the anode and the cathode leads are right there. Comparing them side by side, they're pretty much the same. The one difference is the daughter board. If done correctly, this will completely remove any notification. However, the Apollo Interstellar 1 machine is needed in order to correct the data within the logic board, because it'll retain the information at that 80%. We'll use ceramic scissors to carefully cut the anode and the cathode. This can be done with regular scissors, but you run the risk of potentially connecting the two and shorting it out. I'll remove any excess metal. And trim the new anode and cathode to size. Using my tack welder, I'll go ahead and strategically tack weld the leads, typically in 3 different locations, giving me potentially six joints. We'll peel back the adhesive protector and put back that piece that we saved from before. We'll carefully fold that over to protect it and roll it up back into position. After placing the plastic bracket back on, and then put some new tape on it and make it look as good as new. We'll need to install the Amcentrix battery. We need the phone to give us that notification that it does not recognize the battery. And that it cannot verify that it's a genuine Apple battery. Now that we have that message, we can move forward with adjusting the data for the battery. I'll plug the Apollo Interstellar one into my computer. We'll go over to the settings on the device and change it to English so I can actually understand what's on the screen. And go back to the battery tab. We'll now connect our new battery that we put together. And it'll automatically read out what we need. Here, software on the computer, I can also read and check and see. It says that we have a 78% instead of an 80%, which is interesting, but the cycle times are at 708 cycles. The first thing I want to do is read it on the machine as well. Now that I've read it, I'm going to go and adjust the cycle life. I'm going to go ahead and clear it and set it to 0. You can see it's at 0. I'm also going to go and modify the efficiency and set that to 100%. Here it says 101, but that'll say 100% in the phone. And then I'm going to permanently write it to the battery so that it's corrected the data. Now we can install it in the phone and have a message that says 100% where the battery health life is actually at. If you hadn't done this step, you would have a functional battery that would last you all day, except in the settings it would say still 80%. We'll carefully connect that, turn it on, and make sure everything went as planned. If you haven't already, please like the video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. I will be posting a video here shortly because the iPhone 11 and 12 series require a different step, and I will be showing how to do that as well. There you can see we have 100% maximum capacity, and that notification disappeared after clicking on the battery in the settings. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.